The greatest burden on human health and livelihood globally has been linked to endemic zoonosis. More than 60% of infectious diseases in humans are caused by pathogens shared with wild or domestic animals. The majority of emerging infectious diseases identified in people over the past 70 years were zoonotic and pose a critical threat to global health. Transmission and emergence of zoonotic pathogens from animals to human depends on a multitude of factors, including pathogen types, environmental settings, behavioral and social changes, and status of public health infrastructure.
चेपाङ भन्नाले हामी चाहिँ अलिकता राज्यले पनि हामीलाई एउटा पिछाडिएको जातिमा गनिएको थियो। हाम्रा पुर्खाहरूमा लेखपढ थिएन, विद्यालय थिएन, त्यस कारणले गर्दा अशिक्षितको कारणले गर्दाखेरि सीमान्तकृत वर्गमा पर्छौं हामी। मेरो नाम चाहिँ मोतीराम चेपाङ हो। साबी काँक्रा एक सिलिङ्गी, तर अहिलेको राक्सेराङ गाउँपालिका 6 नम्बर वडा सिलिङ्गी पर्छ। पहिलो चेपाङ, त्यसपछि चिउरी, त्यसपछि चमेरो। तीनटा चले बनेको एउटा साइनो छ।
Vulnerable communities with poor quality of life and limited access to healthcare are at high risk for viral spillover, evolution, amplification, and spread. One such community lies in the Makwanpur district, about 180 kilometers from the capital city, Kathmandu. The Chepang community historically has been disenfranchised from mainstream development, and with their long-standing culture of consuming fruit bats, are at a greater risk of getting disease from the wild animals. Protect Nepal is working with this community to understand the risk of disease spillover from wildlife to people in rural, underdeveloped communities.
मुसाले कति दुःख दिन्छ तपाईलाई?
वनमा अन्न भएको बेलामा आउँदैन, जब त वनमा अन्न छैन नि आउँछ।
अनि आएर चाहिँ मुसाले के चामलहरू, मकैहरू खान्छ। अनि त्यस्तो मकै खाएको बेलामा अनि त्यसको दिशाहरू पनि देख्नु भएको छ मकैमा?
देख्छ।
भनेपछि यो चाहिँ समस्या चाहिँ अलिअलि आउँछ।
अलिअलि होइन, धेरै आउँछ।
धेरै आउँछ।
त्यो खान्छ, त्यो हग्छ
है?
धेरै आउँछ नि।
PRODECT is USAID-supported global emerging pandemic threat research project, and in Nepal, it is carried out by the Center for Molecular Dynamics Nepal in partnership with the University of California, Davis. PRODECT Nepal conducts surveillance of high-risk human populations and concrete surveillance in animals that are temporally and spatially aligned within high-risk communities. Our overall goal is to identify animal reservoirs and amplification hosts for zoonotic viruses and understand disease dynamics of infectious pathogens and strengthen human and animal disease surveillance system capacities in hotspot regions.
सीएमडीएमले जुन खालको अहिले हाम्रो गाउँमा यो क्षेत्रमा काम गरिरहनु भएको छ, कसरी रोगबाट बच्ने भन्ने खालका जुन शिक्षा दिनुभएको छ, बेला बेलामा चमेरोको स्याम्पल लिने अनि मुसाको स्याम्पल लिने यस्ता कामहरू भइरहेको छ, कार्यक्रमहरू भइरहेको छ। त्योबाट हामीले धेरै कुराहरू जताभावी हामीले चराचुरुङ्गी पशुपन्छीहरू मासु खानु हुँदैन रहेछ, खाए पनि अलिकति त्यसलाई व्यवस्थित ढङ्गले खानु पर्दो रहेछ। एउटा चमेरोबाट एउटा एबोला भन्ने रोग पैदा भएको त्यो कुराहरू सुनेका थियौँ। मुसाको टोकाइबाट टोकेर छाडेको चिज खाँदा हामीलाई कस्तो खालको रोग लाग्छ भन्ने खालका कुराहरू थोरै हल्का-फल्का हामीले बुझेका छौँ।
Animals and humans in these communities are sampled, and the samples are transported to CMDN laboratory in Kathmandu for further processing, for viral screening and discovery. We have developed a systematic and comprehensive community-based disease surveillance for new and emerging diseases in Nepal. The findings from this study can shed light on the risk behaviors and ways to mitigate and prevent disease transmission and outbreak in the developing countries like Nepal. We believe this will contribute immensely to our understanding of healthcare challenges and risks and help design effective public and global health strategies and policies.
हाम्रो संस्थाबाट उहाँहरूलाई चमिरो खानु हुँदैन भन्ने हामीले जनचेतना दियौँ र उहाँहरूको युवाहरूमा त्यो छाप परेको जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ अहिलेसम्म.
Project Nepal works with communities and utilizes local human resources in implementing field work. This practice has improved their behavior and understanding of the importance of conservation and staying safe from the disease spillovers.
पहिला चाहिँ रोगहरु लाग्थ्यो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ सुनेको थिए सर. अनि पछि चाहिँ अब आफै काम गर्दै जाँदाखेरि आफैलाई पनि अलिकता केही सिप ज्ञान चाहिँ हाम्रो उसमा अलि पलायो दिमागमा. अनि अलिकता परिवर्तन भएको चाहिँ अवस्था लाग्छ सर.